The current trend of remodeling mid-century homes continues here in Aiken in the central Savannah River area. Renovating a mid-century house to suit today's modern lifestyle can be fun, challenging, and even expensive, especially in bathrooms.
Here's an example of some bathrooms before and after of a local home. The owner of this beautiful home not only improved the overall layout of 2 bathrooms, they even converted a half bath to a full bathroom.
What a remarkable difference a renovated bathroom can make.
Both bathrooms have clean, simple lines and are visibly brighter than before.
Apart from being brighter, both bathrooms now have a modern feel that is more appealing than the darker, funky, dated styles before the renovation.
In some instances, home renovations can boost the sale of your home. If you're interested in finding out about renovations or whether they are worth doing in your home, give us a call. We can help you make the right decision. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
If you want to keep up to date with our current content, make sure you also click the bell.
Ding, ding, ding.
When you hit that bell, YouTube will automatically notify you whenever we load a new video. Until next time, I'm Vikki Crossland.
And I'm Brandi Cook of the Aiken Homes team at Meybohm Real Estate. See you next time.